Hi guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to critique your eye drawings. I asked you on Discord, yes, Discord, I will give you the link in the description to join. I asked you to share some eye drawings so I can critique. I'm going to be completely honest and I'm going to change some of the things if I feel like it's a good idea. So that's why I am recording on my iPad. So yeah, let's just begin. And in case you like my YouTube channel so much, you can already give this video a thumbs up. But no pressure, no pressure. I would appreciate it though. Let's begin the roast. Alright, so this one. So there are a few things I would change right here, but my concern with this one is this is a nice eye, this one. But what the hell happened here? Why is her eyeball sticking out of her head? It looks like it wanted to run away. Oh, this one is so pretty. Although there is not really a lot I can say about the eyes. They are really stylized and I really love them. It's a really creative way to draw eyes. Like, you're really good. Let's see. Okay, I see a problem coming back every time. And I know that some of the people really want to add perspective, like 3D feel to their artwork. But it doesn't work like when you see my face. And it's kind of like this part is closer to the camera than this part, but it doesn't mean that this eye will be twice as big as this eye. It really doesn't change that much, and people do it. Why? Okay, so let's just resize the eyes. I'll just use the liquid eye tool for this. Oh my god. Okay, it already looks better. Also, another problem is that it goes exactly with the line of the face shape. I'll change that. Let's see. I'll just take my sketching brush set. Alright, so now let's compare. This is how the old eye looked like. I changed the eye size, I changed the positioning a little bit, and that's how it looks like when it's corrected. You see, it looks immediately way better, it looks more professional. When you don't get the proportions right, everything is ruined. Look, it looks way better like this, only because the proportions are better. So remember to think about the proportions. I have a lot of videos about proportions. I was actually talking about this specific thing. So make sure to watch other of my videos and maybe some other YouTubers' videos to know those things. But mostly my videos though. Alright, so this one. I think that I know what you are going for and I'm going to try to help you how to get this final result. So I'll just go into download it. So I can see that there is just not a lot of details and not really good structure to your eyes. And the shapes of the eyeliner, they don't follow the shape of an eye. I'll show you how it will look like when the eyeliner follows the shape of an eye. I don't know if it was purposefully, but she looks like this. And I don't think it looks really good. So I will change that. And the iris is way too little. So when I made the iris bigger, it looks immediately better. You see? It looks better. Also, this part, we're going to erase it and do it with a thinner line. Even like this, it looks immediately better. Ta-da! I'll add some of the highlights just to finish the look. And you can add some shadow. Ta-da! This is your eye and this is the corrected eye. Okay, I saw this coming. We need to do this. You said, I know this looks disgusting. This was my first ever digital art eye, so it looks like poo. And yeah, I have to agree with you. It definitely looks like poo. But there is a lot of place for improvement though. So let's just take this one into Procreate and I'll show you how can you improve on your eye drawings from this. First thing, Don't shade the eyeball with a little airbrush. Don't do it. Take big airbrush and soften it up so it doesn't look like it was dirty. The lines, why? Okay, this is going to be difficult. Why those really, really thick lines? Correct it a little bit. So you should start with drawing things like this. Base colors, just some proportions, and that's it. And then you can add some details. Alright? Alright, so what I see is a really weird eyebrow, but we don't talk about eyebrows today, so there's one thing. Her bottom eyelashes, why do they come out of the eye? Do your bottom eyelashes grow in the inner part of the eye? I don't think so. If it does, then you should go to the doctor. Alright, so the shapes are kind of wonky too. I do like the colors. The colors are really cool. The eyelashes grow out of this line here, not here, right here. So, okay, so my screen recording glitched completely, so I can't show you what I did, but as you can see on the glitched screen right now, it's just basically blended. I blended everything out and removed all those details. I made the edges also softer by blending with my Only Blend brush set, the soft blending brush. And I removed the brush weird looking eyelashes from the top eyelashes, and I just made a few of them so that they just kind of look cleaner, you know. And just add some sparkles. I am using my sparkle brush set, the Starry Night brush, sparkling in some places, not everywhere, just some places, like a little bit here, a little bit here, here, and that's it. It's a simple way to make it sparkly, and if you want to make it more sparkly, make another layer, select a part like this, take an airbrush, do something like this. And if you want even more color, just take a normal brush. I am again using the Extra Smooth Edges coloring from my Cartoonish Makeup brush set, and I'm just making a highlight, which is pink. Yeah, that's it. So that is the old eye, and this is the corrected eye. Okay, I see again the same mistake I already talked about, which is the eye. And this is it, this is the thing. This is the only thing I'll do right here. Look how much better it looks like. Here's what I've been working on. I still have a long way to go in terms of improvement, and I'm currently working on trying to make the hair and eyes and mouth and basically everything look realistic. What do you guys think? Alright, so if you want to make it more realistic, you need to change the eyelashes completely and blend more out. Like you see this eyeliner and the iris, it gives the illusion that it's more realistic. For the eyelashes, I am using the Perfect Eyelashes brush. Just some longer eyelashes. Even if your character is supposed to have shorter eyelashes, don't draw 1 freaking million eyelashes on one eye. They need to be a little bit organized, but also what you can do to make the eye even more realistic and just better looking. Drawing eyelashes so they are also visible underneath the eyeline. You see, it looks really good like this. It looks more realistic. I would say it looks more semi-realistic because that's what I'm really good at. But one tip that I'm sure is going to work for you when you're trying to make realism is blend out. Everything has to be blended out at least slightly. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and for everyone who wants to join the Discord chat, the link is in the description. I hope you'll like it. I hope you will meet some cool friends there. That's what I'm hoping for in this chat. You guys can just talk about art and everything there. Everyone is welcome there. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, or what did you think about it? Or just leave a comment below for me to boost up the algorithm so I can grow and make more videos and, you know, make more money. If you want to see my face once again, then make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.